Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to manually update Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite using Odin app without data loss. Okay, first we need to check what is the current version of our software. To do it, open up the settings, then scroll all the way down to About Phone. When it comes to the exact model number, in my case it's SMG77OF. Now we gotta go to software information, and in here we have our here it is. In my case, it's G77OFXXS9HXA1. That's actually the latest version of the software that has been released. So, in my case, I'm about to install it once again. And when it comes to Samsung devices, we need to remember about one thing. The thing is that we can flash the same version of the stock ROM that we currently have, and every version that it's above. It's impossible to install older version than our current. In this video we want to perform an update, so it's logical that we want to have a higher version, but I'm just telling you that so you can know it. Okay, once we know the software version, we can power off the device, hold the power key and volume down, and select power off and confirm. Now visit our page HardReset.Info and go to download section. Verify that you're a human, and now type Samsung drivers, click on search and download Samsung drivers. Then type Odin, search, select the latest version 3.14.4 and also hit the download button. Then open up a new tab, visit this page samfw.com. I mean, you can use a different, but I recommend this one. And in here you need to enter your device name or model code. Okay, now you can scroll down and we have a lot of countries, and in the search bar you can type your country or the CSC code. I have the Spanish version, so I gotta type PHE. And then scroll down, and in here we have the list of all available softwares. I need to download the one on the top. And then scroll down if you selected the version that you want. And we have 3 download links. It's up to you which one you'll pick. For example, you can pick the one in the middle, wait a little bit. And then hit the download button. Okay, in my case everything is already downloaded, so we can open up the downloads folder, and in here we have Odin app, Samsung drivers and our software. You need to extract those 3 files. I'm using WinRAR, so right click WinRAR and extract to. If you're using a different app, go ahead. If you don't have any app, you can click on extract all and extract, and it will also work. Now we need to open up the folder with the Samsung drivers, and we need to install them. So double click. Next, and install. And now we need to wait. Okay, and now click on finish. If you're installing the Samsung drivers for the first time, you need to restart your computer right now, because if you don't restart, it won't work. Okay, now we can launch Odin. It's this icon, double click, click on OK. Here we have it. Now we need to enter download mode on our phone. To do it, we need to have the USB-C cable that is connected to our computer as well. And now, the device needs to be turned off. And we gotta hold both volume keys at the same time. And now insert the cable, but don't release volume buttons, keep holding until you see this many, and then click on volume up, and now we are in the download mode. Also, it's important that our device needs to appear under ID.com right in here. Okay, now click on BL, go to downloads, open up the folder with the software, and select BL file. Now AP, select AP file. This one is going to load a little bit longer because that's the biggest file, so we need to wait. Now CP, select CP file, and now CSC, and it's also important part, you gotta select Home CSC file, because if you select normal CSC file, the phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased, so that is why you gotta select Home CSC. And if everything is loaded, you can click on Start. Something has lagged in my case. I think that I need to reboot to download mode once again. Sometimes it happens, so don't worry. Volume up. Okay. And now let's click on Start. Okay, now it has started, as you can see. So now we need to keep waiting until this bar down below that it's fulfilling goes to opposite edge. If everything works, we'll see the word pass. It will change the color to green, and currently we need to keep waiting. Of course, during the whole installation process you cannot unplug the cable. So let's keep waiting. Okay, as you can see, we have the word pass, everything has worked. We can close the Odin, we can unplug the cable, and now we just need to wait until our device turns on. Okay, let me go to the full screen. And now let's wait. Okay, as you can see, we can slide to the upside, the phone unlocks, nothing has been erased. If you want to verify the software version, go to settings, all the way down, about phone, software information, and in here you'll be able to check it. In my case there's no difference, because I was flashing the same version once again. Alright, and that's all in this video, thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.